there. Watch it.
Well, it's good afternoon. Well, in the afternoon, happy Canada Day to all Canadians abroad and here. So yeah, this is still the aftermath from last night, but it's pretty much cleaned up. See, everything is pretty much cleaned. Yes, thanks to Fate, my help that pretty much put the whole thing together with me last night. Thank you for that. And we are heading out now to go hang out. We are actually heading out now for Canada Day. That is what we're going to do. What you say, red eye gal? Hey guys, look at my lighting. Oh my goodness.
Look at all the ice gone. What do you say you want, Shan?
This one.
So you don't want this? Sure? Mario, come true. What's yours? What do you want? The mudslide?
I don't know which one.
This one's it's almost like Bailey, but like.
Yeah, man.
What should I got you ice?
You want to slide? No, we are going to slide, Google.
I'll leave you some. When I'm on that side. Better?
Thank you. Yes, Nala, bring me food.
Bun?
She carry food and she forget the fork and she go back to it.
Bless yo, today how much?
It's
Best
over at
the
yours,
first
we know
and
each other.
July.
Because
First of July, no, so you don't know, so you have to go make that thing you do every first of July, no.
No man, that's too long man, man. First of July too long.
Our
when
mark
you
can't
drink
make
it
it up.
for? Wait,
Our mark can't make it up, man.
look at Nyla.
So give me a different color. You want some?
Okay, so more life, more friendship, more blessings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, can we actually go like this? 1, 2, 3.
Mine on the brook.
Oh, my passion is Nellen.
Let me take it from you. Also, I can't see you guys.
I don't know.
Wait, it's like there. Where's your phone turned down? Yeah, we're trying to get you.
I'm happy about going here.
You're so disgusting, Mario. No, I'm not.
No, it's good. Put the pep in my step.
Wow.
We're brave tonight, eh?
It's young. Oh, but.
I'm more than a pep in my step.
Yeah, me, it was good. Okay, yeah, do it back.
And
that when you're done Stagger tonight.
What man? Yeah man, this is strong man.
Hello,
Whatever man, this strong man.
Oh my goodness. Alright. Oh, so we're going on an adventure. I'm waiting for Mario to get up. He put a little bit too much Appleton in his drink.
Why do you want everybody to leave you? Huh?
Yeah, you can walk with your cup?
Yeah, like.
You think I'm Jamaica there? You think I'm Jamaica? You can't walk with your cup.
Seriously?
No, you lock up your cloth.
I mean, imagine.
Now I'm brown bag.
No, sir. We use the bathroom. Nisha. I need to come use the bathroom. Alright. Time for an adventure.
Yeah, that you know how to bust the fireworks too, so we'll just all go over there. What? I said he knows how to do them too. So just go right there.
Yeah, so we reached the fireworks place, but I'm staying in with Nyla. She's sleeping. Everybody else is getting fireworks. So I'm just here. You're still buying more fireworks?
Well, they bought, and I'm just gonna buy the single one.
Oh. So, yeah, because unfortunately it is Canada Day, and well, they say, well, this year fireworks, they usually have like a nice fireworks just to celebrate Canada Day, but not this time because of, well, COVID as usual. So they canceled all of that. They said it will be virtual, but as long as you have your own fireworks, I guess you can burst it, well, in a field or something like that. Oh, lucky baby Nana. Nyla is sleeping. Oh man. So, and Rissa stayed because there was no room for her in the car, so she stayed. And yeah, that's where we're gonna be wrapping up and heading back. Oh, see, Mario got a few. This troublemaker here. You see your face? He got a pep in his step now. I guess the Appleton is getting to him.
Yay! Fireworks!
You have big fireworks?
Yeah, we go bust some shot. And people run up and down.
Yeah, maybe you and Ziggy run up and down.
Where wish me?
Yeah, give me that weed. I see that weed.
Yeah.
Fire
Yeah, give me weed. You can pull a one drop. When me tell you, say, when me done laugh.
yeah, laugh.
Throw who over shoulder. All that, you know, so that they go dead. They go dead weight. When that dead weight, I left him see your place.
McDonald's.
Here, you are your McDonald's. And that's where you're going now?
Cheese.
You should have ordered a pizza.
You want McDonald's for real?
No.
That's for Ziggy.
Spicy habanero?
Pizza. Make whatever you get a pizza.
They're actually cheap.
Hey.
Because the guy even just now just gave you guys a discount.
You see, go there. And you don't want to hear the price. Compare it to here.
It's almost like these.
My mom,
Those little things
my
you're
mom has
buying.
been to that one and spent 3 bills, and we got like close to nothing.
Rotted. We said Nisha, we go in there and walk down in that trailer because they make you walk through.
Are we at going to how much money box? It tells you, I think it's like 30 something.
36 shots.
This is 70 shots. So, yeah.
I went out the battlefield.
Yeah, she said to go on an open space.
You're gonna have to go. We're going to bust in the backyard.
Yeah, wait till tonight when night come down. But night now come down, no one make it work.
Crazy scene thing.
You're just worried about night now come down and figure out work.
Do you remember how you got here?
Do you remember how you got here? You could take this road and go straight down too.
Hello, highway we are going.
Yeah.
We want to reach home quick.
No, that's the thing. The road's gonna take forever.
When you go find them everywhere, that didn't take too long. Whiny.
Yeah, you can still go down there and go straight down. You know, so I used to have clients all the way up here too.
Yeah, you can go back down for the highway.
Go down here and...
Where? Which way, right?
Yeah, you can go down here and catch highway here. Here, baby. Alright, so we are outside. They started bursting fireworks from over there. Hooray. So, since we cannot have... Well, it's Canada Day. Woo! Let the party start. We are ready. Let's go. Wow. We can hear them. Right on time. Look. Hey. I wonder if Nala's gonna scream.
I like to go to the get wet. Everybody about their phone fireworks. Then, everywhere you turn, soon light Twitter. We are waiting them burst off of them. Yo, Mario, that's me run. Man, them not turn them right. Police up there. Yo, everybody, you know? Yeah, man. I didn't do it. Boom! Yo, they're so close, my youth. Yo, I see what's You see it? This one I show you. Watch it, you see it? Yeah. Look over the door, you see it? Yo, look over. Oh, this Yo. Is that no come on? The bear. Watch it. Yeah. Come in. Yo, come on, come. Like this. Ready. Make it same for them, man. No, I have no. Yeah, that was normal. answer back ziggy. What am I gonna say? You think I alone can bust big gun, listen here.
That's it.
Yo, me tell you say
So
people them
you
go
left
all
them?
out. Me don't know what them are doing. Watch it. That was watch it. That's it. I hold it up.
Sorry for the bad lighting, guys, but the mosquitoes are brutal out here. I hope you guys are enjoying the fireworks. The kids them are actually home. As you can see, we're actually just in the field of right by our house watching the fireworks. Everybody basically bought their own and came out, so that is what we're here doing. So everybody's out. As you see, people, they're outside under here long. We're just watching it. And Rissa decided to come outside with us. The two older kids them decided to stay inside.
Why is fireworks over here? They're so close to us.
They're outside because that's where they keep it. Just coming to close off the vlog. We reached home. We had a nice little, just quiet Canada Day with the newbie fam. It was really good. Your girl is tired because I woke up so early yesterday, and with the celebration of Mario's birthday and our anniversary, I was up early this morning too. I didn't get enough time, so I am tired. I'm going to go take a shower now and go to bed. So I am closing off the vlog. I just want to say thank you guys for spending the day with us, and yes, happy Canada Day to all my Canadian family, and also happy America Day. It's coming up, so this vlog will probably be up just after or around that. Say thank you guys for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And those who are new, welcome to the Williams fam, and thank you guys for joining us, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.